The 2024 Softail Standard in Billiard Grade is a timeless style and a modern performance machine. The 2024 Softail Standard in Billiard Gray is a stunning machine that's perfect for someone who wants a classic looking motorcycle. The 2024 Softail Standard is the perfect motorcycle for someone who wants to get into the sport but doesn't want to ride on something smaller like a Sportster. The Softails are great for someone who wants to be comfortable but still have that feeling that you have your fists in the wind, that you're taking sharp corners at high speeds, and you're just overall enjoying yourself. The mag wheels give it a really pronounced look that match the Billiard Gray paint style, as well as the flashing chrome that you see that pops out all on the bike. If you want a bike that you can customize yourself from the ground up and make it completely unique to your style, the Softail Standard might be the bike for you. Give us a call at 802-476-6104 for a little bit more information.